ข่าวโอ้โอ้โอ้ข่าว
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, how are you today? I'm Cherry from Thai Akha Kitchen, the authentic cooking school right here in Chiang Mai. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to book our cooking class directly on our website. Let's go! First, go to our website at thaiakhakitchen.com. Once you're there, just look for the booking section in the menu. You'll see two options, the morning class and the evening class. Choose the one you prefer, click on it, and you'll be taken straight to the booking page. Super easy!
ข่าว
On the calendar that you'll find on the booking page, you can see the available spots for each day. If a day is in red, it means it's fully booked. So select your preferred date and then enter the number of participants who will be cooking with you. Now go ahead and enter your personal information, your full name, your email address, you'll need to enter it twice just for security, your phone number. WhatsApp works great, so we can message you easily. Then, choose if you want our pickup service. If yes, please enter the full name and address of your hotel. In the notes section, feel free to add any special requests like allergies or anything else. Next, select your preferred payment method. Pay on arrival, that's cash at the school. Or pay by credit card now, it's secure via PayPal. Finally, check the box to accept the terms and conditions and click the Book Now button. Yes, your booking is confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation email right away with all the details of your reservation. That's it, your spot is reserved. Before we go, let's take a quick look at the confirmation email you'll receive. Here you can find all your booking details. Next, follow the simple instructions in the email. Send us a quick reply to confirm your hotel pickup, then click the link inside the email to choose your menu for the class. Everything clear? Great! Then see you soon in the kitchen. Sawadee ka!